important role. And as you all know that the tongue is a very good part of our body. So now I am here making a diagram of tongue that you will understand. So this is our tongue, and there are four birds in our tongue. Every human body has a four birds in our tongue. Like these, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Our tongue contains four birds. These four birds. And with these four birds, these are called the taste buds. With these four birds, whatever food we eat, we know that it tastes like that. So in our tongue there are holes also. You can see that in our tongue, in the between of the tongue, there are holes. So there are four birds in a tongue. And so today, first I will tell you about the birds of tongues. There are four birds in our tongue, and I will also label them that you can understand it properly. So, the first tongue, the right of the upper bird, that is called sweet. The right of the lower bird, that is called salty. And the left of the upper bird, that is called bitter. And the right of that lower, that is called sour. So first, you all should know that our tongue has four birds. And now, what they do, I will tell you. First, the sweet. Here, it contains the sweet birds. Whatever sweet thing we eat, like chocolate, or we can say cake, or we can say sugar, and all, whatever these things we will eat, our tongue will tell us, one bird will tell us that it is sweet and salty, like tamarind and sugar and salt, like these. Many examples are there, and whatever things we eat in this bird will tell us that we are eating the salty things. And then the bitter, like bitter gourd. Actually, many people don't like the bitter gourd, but it is very good for our nutrients, like bitter gourd and ginger and all. Actually, many people say that the bitter things which taste very bad, they are good in nutrients. Like you can see that sweet, chocolate, sugar, and cake. These are tasting very good, but they don't have any nutrients. So now here bitter. The bitter gourd. We can't eat the bitter gourd alone, but it has many nutrients. So this bird tell us about the bitter. That yes, this thing is bitter gourd or bitter. Then sour, like we can say coriander and leafy greens. These things tell about the sour. That if we will eat these type of things, it will tell about the sour. So now we have discussed about that the tongue has four birds: sweet, salty, bitter, and sour, and how they help. So now I will tell you about that the tongue has also three parts. The first part is root. The second part is body, and the third part is tips. So whatever things we come, or whatever things we eat and in our under the mouth, first the root tells our birds that whatever thing is coming. Like if I am eating a bar of chocolate, so if first I will swallow it, so my root tells us that this bird, one sweet thing is coming. And then the body, like in our human body, when the body manages all the parts of our human body, it is the head of our body. That's why the tongue. This body is the head of the tongue. Then tips, the tongue tips. We can do any expression and we show our tongue tips. So that tongue tip only. So whatever things we taste, it first goes to our tongue tip. So now, did you ever seen that there are these holes in our tongue? Why these holes are in tongues? Because these holes are papillae. These holes are papillae. These holes carry many things. Like if one thing we will eat in our tongue, these holes will tell us. Or if anything we will taste, like if anything we will taste, like some tomato sauce and all, whatever things we will taste, these birds tell us that how it tastes. Because we can't, when we like tomato sauce and all, when it goes to our mouth, so we can't know by our birds. So our these holes tell us about the tomato sauce. So here is a pipe under the tongue. Here is a pipe which goes to our neck. So what is this pipe called? Actually, this pipe called lingual frenulum, and it is also a very good part of our tongue. Actually, this lingual frenulum, when a something goes to our tongue, so when a something goes to our tongue, so it tells to chew or that, or when something goes to our tongue, so when we swallow all that tongue, so it comes here in the pipe from the digestive system. So now we have discussed about the four parts, and the tongue is divided into three parts: root, body and tips, and the holes that carry the tongue, that is papilla, and the pipe, that is lingual frenulum. Now the thing come about the saliva. You all know that saliva is a very main part of the tongue. In everybody's tongue there is saliva, and it has played a very important role in our life. So saliva, this, whatever things we eat, first our saliva make it soft. Like if I am eating a piece of meat and all, so it is very hard, you know that. But when we taste it, so our saliva make it a very smooth and soft, and then we chew all those things and then we swallow it. So saliva has plays a very important role in human body, and the saliva is under the tongue actually. Almost the saliva is under the tongue because it is here on the food here pipe. Because if the saliva will be here, so that if we will talk, so how we will that the saliva will, how we will know that. So that's why the saliva is under this time, and whenever we think or we speak, the saliva comes and do process. So then with the saliva, there is one thing, that is chewing. As you all know that chewing is the most very part of the things, whatever food it comes to our stomach, so we chew it and then we digest it. So because of saliva, if there will be no any saliva in human body, so how we will chew all that food? Because the saliva make it soft and very perfect. Soft. Saliva make it very soft. That's why we chew it. Chewing is a very main process of action of human body. So today we have discussed about the four parts of human body, about it has divided into three parts: root, body and tips, and the holes that are found in the tongue carry, that is papilla, and a pipe, lingual frenulum, and a very good part, that is saliva, which is another human or human. And you know that many humans think that, many people say that today there is no saliva in my body and I'm really like that, and my all that mouth is very dark because of saliva it happened. Because some people have many problems, that's why the saliva can't go very dark, and that's why their tongue is very dark. And if anything they taste or taste can't be able to know the first thing, but they have to taste it. So now when we have learned about the chewing, that the chewing is the main process, whatever things we do, we chew it very properly and we swallow it. And many people say that the chewing, that whatever things we will chew it 30 times, 34 times or 30 times. Because if we will not chew it properly, so we can't digest it, or it can also stuck in our neck. So today we have learned all these things. So I hope that you all understand